Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this monster jump filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. Okay. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for monster jump. Okay, the first one, monster jump up. Okay, with 305.8k videos, tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, just go to the For You page and here search for monster jump filter. Okay, here you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the screen, the effect is there with yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you'll be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Likewise, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, let's try to complete. Jump, jump, jump. That's one here.